Should you be worried or should you not be worried if your urine color appears to be amongst these colors above here? Let me explain to you why you should or you should not. So different urine colors comes with different conditions. You might see your urine to be appearing colorless, pale amber, deep amber, orange, dark brown, pink, blue-green, green, and lastly cloudy. It can be any color, but it is cloudy. Cloudy means turbid in that you cannot see through. Now let's see the conditions that might bring up those urine colors. If your urine appears to be colorless, that's an indication that you are drinking too much water, not plenty. You are taking a lot of water, and that can cause electrolyte imbalance. Number two, if your urine appears to be pale amber, that means you are taking enough water, you're drinking enough water, that everything is balanced, the electrolyte water is balanced. Then the third one is deep amber. So this is now where the dehydration thing comes in. If your urine is deep amber, that's a sign of dehydration. You're not taking enough water. Number four is orange urine. If your urine appears to be orange, that's a sign of dehydration as well. Also, it can be a sign of some medications. So remember, some medicines can change your urine color. Yep, let's go ahead. Then we have dark orange. Dark orange also is a sign of dehydration or medications. We have again dark brown. This is where it starts to get complicated. If your urine is dark brown, that's a sign of, it could be dehydration, it could be liver problem, it could be hematuria. Hematuria is a presence of blood in urine. It's a very rare case. It can be there, but it's a very rare case. So things that can lead to hematuria: one, you can be having the schistosoma hematobium. Yeah, schistosoma hematobium is a parasite. It's a urinary tract parasite. It resides in the bladder. So when it erodes the bladder, it leads to blood in urine. Another one is pink urine. If you're having pink urine, that's also an indication of blood in urine. Then we have the blue-green color. If you have blue-green color, that could be an indication of some medications. Maybe you took some medications for kidney test and they just appear in urine just the way they are. So it's a test for the kidney. We have the green urine. If your urine appears to be green, it could be a sign of urinary tract infection. Probably, okay, in most cases, it's associated with yeast infection that leads to green urine. If you have cloudy urine, cloudy is turbid. Opposite of turbid is just transparent. Something turbid, it means if you have a liquid that is turbid, it means you can't see through, or if you can, you'll see particles inside. So if your urine is turbid, that's a sign of urinary tract infection. So urinary tract infection, the most common causes are always bacterial infection and yeast infection. For example, this one here above here is the bacterial infection, and you can see it, this field here has numerous pus cells. Mostly when you wake up in the morning, your urine tends to be deeply colored, and this is because when you sleep, you don't go to the toilet, so you don't empty your bladder. So there is a lot of solute concentration in your bladder. So that's all. My advice is just make sure you take enough water to prevent dehydration. When you wake up in the morning, always remember to take water. It helps flush anything that might be in your urinary tract to avoid you from getting urinary tract infection. So that's all about urine colors. If you find that your urine is having some colors that are suggestive of something you don't know, you can just visit the hospital and do a urinalysis test. So that's all, until we catch up again in the next one. Thank you.